Ekta Nursery, shaping the idea of unity through saplings. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, whilst dedicating the Statue of Unity, suggested the idea of a tourist destination designed with the primary aim of spreading awareness of eco-friendly practices. And for producing plant of unity. Situated along the banks of Narmada and nestled in a valley formed by two mountain ranges, the Vindhyachal and Satpura, the serene grandeur of the Ekta Nursery, once witnessed, becomes a memory to carry along the years. The breathtaking view of the world's tallest statue, the architectural marvel of the well-laid-out gardens, the carefully chosen floral species that adorn the habitat. Everything here bears testimony to the fact that expression becomes futile when faced with true beauty. Ekta Nursery is a promise to leave the viewer speechless. But more than the beauty of Ekta Nursery, it is gratifying how it has assumed the social responsibility of bringing greater dignity and economic advantage to the life of the local rural women. The Narmada district of Gujarat is home to many tribal communities. In this district, the people eke out a daily living, mainly sustained by forest produce. The Forest Department created an economic playground for these communities at Ekta Nursery, training and teaching them the making of and doing value addition to the handicrafts from locally available materials. Run by self-help groups and managed by the local women, the souvenir shops, cafes, and exhibition units scattered around the nursery are the support system providing a sustained livelihood for the local tribal women. Ekta Handicrafts is window for tourists to see the live demonstration of making bamboo crafts, Areca leaf utensils, and organic pots. The cafeteria dishes out tribal delicacies. The tribal Shankh Pushpi tea being the signature beverage of the region. The cafe is fast becoming case study for entrepreneurs of how homegrown grain, vegetables and ingredients can generate profits and create brands. Ekta Nursery also assumes the role of an educator. The central thematic expression is a tribal hut that houses the artifacts and speaks of the native culture of the region. The apiary teaches how honeybees are central to any ecosystem. And the bonsai display area showcases the art of miniaturizing the giants of the forest. The display of the Kadaknath, an improved variant of the chicken, is being raised at the nursery for creating awareness regarding the protein source for the tribals. Visitors marvel at the avant-garde technology of hydroponic farming, amazed at how everything can be grown not in soil, but only in water. Ekta Nursery is not just a sapling-producing unit. Neither is it a mere statement of its planners, having in a rather short time grown beyond even its ideation. It is truly that splendor which stuns its viewer into silence.